So welcome back once again to our channel Study Adda. A very good morning to all of you and Jai Jagannath. So as you all know, today is a very pious day and India is celebrating today Lord Jagannath's Rath Yatra. So once again a very happy Rath Yatra to all of you. May Lord Jagannath, Balbhadra and Subhadra Maharani bless you all. So let's start with today's top 16 current affairs. So today's 23rd June, day of the day is International Widow Day and United Nations Public Service Day. Now coming to the first question of the day, who has been appointed as India's next ambassador to Zimbabwe? So the right answer for this is option A, Vijay Thanduja. Coming to next, which country to boost India's COVID-19 response with 200 million euros? So right answer is option B, France. Option B, France. Next, who has formed a panel to develop a job platform for migrant laborers? So this has been developed by Niti Aayog. Option D, Niti Aayog. Also, Niti Aayog has launched Decarbonizing Transport in India project in collaboration with International Transport Forum ITF. Next, how many member countries are there in Eurasian Group on Combating Money Laundering and Financing of Terrorism EAG? So there are total 9 countries. Right answer is option C, 9. And these 9 countries are, as you can see, India, Russia, China, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Belarus, Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan. The body EAG is an associate member of the Financial Action Task Force FATF, which is headquartered at Paris in France. Next, who was Rajinder Goel, who passed away recently and was in news recently? So Rajinder Goel was a famous Ranji Trophy cricketer. So the right answer is option A, cricketer. Now why he was in news recently? Because first of all he hails from Haryana. He is famous because he holds the record for most wickets taken in Ranji Trophy history, that is 637, and in this list Srinivas Venkataraman is second. So this is very interesting point for all of you. The most wickets taken in Ranji Trophy history by Indian was or is Rajinder Goel, and second is Srinivas Venkataraman. Coming to next, to which country Exim Bank extends LOC of USD 20.1 million? The right answer is option B, Republic of Nicaragua. Option B, Republic of Nicaragua. Next, which Indian American scientist has been appointed as the director of the National Science Foundation by the US Senate? So the right answer for this is option D, Sethuraman Panchanathan. Option D, Sethuraman Panchanathan. Next, Padma Shri awardee Dash passed away, who was a pioneer in the field of child welfare as she created the first Bal Bhavan in Rajkot. So she is Padma Shri Vidya Ben Shah. The right answer is option C, Vidya Ben Shah. She had also set up the Mahatma Gandhi Sanskriti Kendra in the 1970s. Next, which state government to start Play Little Study Little scheme from 25th June 2020? So this is to be started by Tripura government. Right answer is option C, Tripura. So you must be knowing who is the Chief Minister of Tripura. He is Biplab Dev. The scheme is named locally as Ettu Thelo Ettu Podho in Tripura. Next, and this is very important question from static part also as well as from your general knowledge views. The Ambubachi Mela is organized in which state? So this Ambubachi Mela is organized in the state of Assam. Right answer is option D, Assam. And this is organized outside Kamakhya Mandir temple, the most famous Kamakhya Mandir temple. Recently, no Ambubachi Mela to be organized at Kamakhya temple in Assam according to the order released due to COVID-19 for the first time in 6 centuries. For the first time in 6 centuries. This temple, as per history, was built by King Naratsur and is one of the 51 Sakti Pits. And it is one of the 51 Sakti Pits. Coming to next, where will Indian Railways offer passengers 2 world-class airport like 20 railway stations by December 2020? So first of all, you must be knowing who is the Railway Minister of India, and it is Piyush Goyal, and he is Rajya Sabha MP from Maharashtra. This also to be known by you. Piyush Goyal, Railway Minister, is a Rajya Sabha MP from Maharashtra. So the right answer for this is the 2 Indian railway stations to be built as world-class airport like 20 railway stations are option D, both A and C, that is Habibganj railway station and Gandhinagar railway station. So option D is the right answer. Both Habibganj and Gandhinagar railway station, and this Habibganj railway station is in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Coming to next, which bank has partnered with Hyundai Motor to launch first online auto retail financing platform Click to Buy? This has been launched by HDFC Bank. Option A, HDFC Bank. Next, who heads the committee formed by Niti Aayog to develop job platform for migrant laborers and others? So the right answer for this is option B, Amitabh Kant. Option B, Amitabh Kant. Next, which edition of National Reading Day was celebrated on June 19, 2020? So the right answer for this is option A, 25th. Option A, 25th. It is celebrated in India in honor of Kerala's father of library movement, Puthuvail Narayana P.N. Panikkar, and his significant contribution to the reading culture, which made Kerala's universal literacy rate 100% in 1990. And the last question of the day, which Indian has been elected as member of ITF World Tennis Tour men's panel representing the Asia-Oceania zone? So the right answer is option A, Nikki Kalyanda Punacha. So that's all from today. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Jagannath Rath Yatra today. Stay safe, take care, and try to attend the ISKCON Kolkata virtual Rath Yatra. And that virtual Rath Yatra by ISKCON Kolkata has been named as Mercy on Wheels. Mercy on Wheels. So that's all from today. Thank you.